What's up, squad? Today is Air Jordan 5 Reimagined Black Metallic Pickup Day. Hopefully y'all copped this morning or last couple of days, JD Sports Finish Line. I was able to secure at DTLR. Can't wait to get these boys in hand. Dope shoe. Super pumped to get them, y'all. Let's go check it out. See what they looking like. All right, so yeah, we're walking into the mall. About to hit DTLR. Pumped. What we got today? Fear God on Nike Tech. Little Georgetown 3s. Can't wait to get them, y'all. Secured the bag, ready to get these into the lab, and we can break them down today, see what they like in hand, y'all. All right, squad, we back in the lab. We just gonna get right into it, man. I had to tear this thing open to get this shoe out and take a look at it myself. And man, oh man, it's worth the wait. Is it worth the wait? Is it worth the wait? This is the bomb diggy. We've been seeing reports of people, the shoe selling out everywhere. Lines crazy, people first come, first serve at the malls, things going insane. A couple places that has some violence, but overall, man, you know, I've seen a ton of pairs being raffled off, a ton of people getting W's, and this shoe doesn't look like it's slowing down. Secondary right now is up on, I think, around $300 for my size 11, and I'm just gonna say, y'all, I think they did a good job. They did a great job with this shoe. This is reimagined. The piping differences, I dig it, because, you know, we like to see the different cuts of the layers of the different panels, and I think it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Anything special with the packaging? No. Classic Jordan 5 box, my size 11, thanks to Downtown Locker Room, DTLR. Nothing fancy at all here. The shoe itself does come with the white laces in them. It comes with the black laces attached as well. They put these cardboard covers on the tongue, I guess just to keep that from getting scratched up on the 3M. But yo, overall, I'm a fan. I'm happy to cop. Love the Nike Air on the back. The insole, that icy blue, beautiful. And just everything you know about a Metallic 5. People saying these not a really Metallic 5s, they're Metallic-ish. I dig them. I mean, reimagined. I wish they'd have gave us 23 on the side, but whatever, all good. It's still a dope shoe, Metallic 5. I haven't had these in ages, and glad to get them back in the collection. So crazy though with the I'm on my Air Dusk pair that's black as well, but it's different, right? Not the same. These are fire, dude. Fire. I love the Nike Air and that plastic hang tag that's clear, iridescent as well. Give you that kind of ice blue haze like they give you on the cage, on the tongue, all the accents where there's the translucence is that icy blue. Air bubble, clear, white, and everything else is that 3M, man. The Nike Air, the piping hits on it, just dope. I'm happy with the shoes, able to pick up quick and easy, no problem. Heard a lot of stuff, like I said, going on out there in the streets. I don't know, man. It seems like the hype is returning. I don't know if it's just this drop in particular, of course, coming off of the Bread 85s. You know, it's supposed to drop on the 14th, but most of the boutiques have been doing early releases, early events, raffles, whatever, the last day or two, and we know that's been crazy. People have been getting pairs of those left and right, and it looks like they're basically gone. So we'll see. But I know prices on those are going down. So if you know, maybe you cop these, maybe you pay a little extra for those, you're good for a little while. But we know there's a lot more coming. So I know myself, I'm being selective. Miss the 85s. Unless they drop considerably, like in the 300 range maybe, that's where I maybe pull the trigger. But at 4 or 5, nah, I'm not doing it. Super hyped for these, man. Can't wait to get these on feet. Definitely gonna be rocking these, put these in a regular rotation. Man, another OG, even though it's not 100% OG, it's 95% OG. But another OG colorway in the collection, man. Metallic 5s, dope, dope, dope. Let me know if you cop. Let me know where you cop and what's next on your radar. All right, I'll see y'all on the next. Peace.